Sometimes in life, a person, a memory, or a desire stays deeply inside our hearts. Even when we try to forget, it still remains in our thoughts and in our feelings. If someone or something does not leave your heart, do not panic. It is not always weakness. Sometimes it is a test from Allah, and sometimes it is a lesson that brings you closer to Him. Allah knows what is inside our hearts. He sees our silent pain. He sees our tears. And He understands our hidden emotions. When a feeling stays in your heart, remember, Allah is fully aware of it. The best thing you can do is to give your heart's burden to Allah. Turn to Him sincerely. Talk to Him in sujood. Cry before Him if you feel heavy inside. Say, "O Allah, if this connection or this desire is good for my deen and my dunya, make it easy for me and make it halal for me. And if it is not good for me, then remove it gently from my heart and replace it with something better." Sometimes Allah does not remove something quickly because He wants us to learn patience and trust. He wants us to depend only on Him, not on people, and not on temporary feelings. Remember, people change, situations change, but Allah's plan is always better. If someone is written for you, Allah will bring them back at the right time. And if they are not meant for you, Allah will replace them with something or someone that is better for your heart and better for your future. So stay patient, keep making dua, and trust Allah completely, because what Allah chooses for you is always better than what you choose for yourself.